Hello everyone, welcome to episode 6 of Basic Reviews, and I hope you are liking this series. Then please do show some support. Now let's comes to our question, which is 3 raised to the cluster of powers. So the step of solving is, first we find the final power which is raised to the power 3, and for that we are going to multiply all these powers. So 12 times 6 times 1 over 9 times 1 over 2, and this cancel out to be 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6, and again 3 4 is 12. Now this 2 over 2 cancel out, so we are left with 3 raised to the power, final power is 4, which is equals 3 times 4, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times, which is equal to 81 is our required answer. Similarly, our second question is 9 power 15 power 4 over power 120. So again multiplying exponent, so 15 times 4 times 1 over 20, which gives 5 3 is a 15, 5 4 is a 20, this 4 over 4 cancel out, so we are left with 9 power 3, which is equal to 9 times 9, which is 729, our answer. Now this third question is for you, and drop the answer in the comment.